Today I want to talk in more detail about the abnormal microclots that seem to cause long COVID and the associated symptoms. Specifically, I want to talk about how the microclots form and their structure. But before we can talk about how abnormal microclots form in long COVID, we have to talk about how normal clots form naturally. In the healthy body, we have a long and somewhat complicated process called the coagulation cascade that involves more than 10 enzymes and biochemical steps to initiate clotting. At the end of this cascade is one biochemical reaction that actually forms the clot. A monomeric protein called fibrinogen is modified by the enzyme thrombin in such a way that it polymerizes into what we call fibrin. And the fibrin polymer is what forms the structural foundation for clots in the body. So how do abnormal microclots form in long COVID? The formation of abnormal microclots starts with the spike protein binding to fibrinogen, right? And the binding of spike protein to the fibrinogen monomer actually causes this structural conformational change in the fibrinogen monomer. The natural conformation of the fibrinogen protein in a healthy body is predominantly in the alpha helix conformation. When spike protein binds to fibrinogen, it actually changes the conformation of fibrinogen into predominantly the beta sheet conformation. This unnatural beta sheet conformation of fibrinogen actually spontaneously polymerizes on its own without needing thrombin enzyme as a catalyst and forms the abnormal, unnatural microclots. The fibrin polymer in the abnormal microclots is in this unnatural beta sheet conformation. We typically refer to polymerized beta sheet protein structures as amyloids. So the abnormal microclots in long COVID are amyloids of fibrin. And to give you some context, amyloids that form in the brain are known to cause diseases, right? Amyloids of the A beta protein cause Alzheimer's. Amyloids of the alpha-synuclein protein cause Parkinson's disease. Amyloids of the prion protein cause Creutzfeldt-Jacobs disease. So the long COVID microclots, these amyloids of fibrin, form in the vascular system and the blood circulation, and they're hypothesized to be what causes long COVID. So I've prepared a written summary of the mechanisms for microclot formation, including drawings of the structural and conformational changes, the data showing that the spike protein causes the microclots at very low concentrations, and the data that long COVID patients actually have microclots in their blood. To see the written summary, check out my bio and click the link. Let me know your thoughts below in the comments, and to follow my research, give me feedback, leave me a comment, check out my bio, or follow me. Thanks.